In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on the download button on Vimeo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So let's jump right in. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to Vimeo. If you haven't already done so, make sure you sign into your account. This step is crucial because only account holders can change their video settings, including enabling the download feature. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation bar on the Vimeo homepage. Here you will see several options like Home, Discover, and Library. Click on Library. This is where all your uploaded videos are stored, making it easy for you to manage them. Now that you're in the library, take a moment to browse through your videos. When you find the video you want to change, go ahead and click on it. This will bring up the Videos page, where you can view all sorts of statistics and options related to that specific clip. Once you're on your Videos page, look for a button labeled Share in the top right corner. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on the Share button opens a new interface that presents various linking options and settings. As you explore this new section, you'll need to look for something called Viewer Permissions. This is where you can control what your viewers can do with your video. Keep an eye out, as this is fundamental to enabling downloads. Within the Viewer Permissions section, you'll see a variety of options, but our main focus today is on downloads. Look for the Downloads feature, and when you find it, you'll notice it may be toggled off by default. All you have to do now is turn Downloads on. This is usually as simple as clicking a switch or checkbox next to the Downloads option. After you've made that change, there's no need to worry about hitting a Save button. Vimeo is pretty user-friendly in that way. The setting will save automatically, which means you can move right along to checking the changes you've just made. To ensure that everything is set up correctly, it's a good idea to open your video's Vimeo page once again after enabling the download option. This will allow you to check the result of your efforts. Scroll down beneath the video player, and there, you should see the download option now visible for viewers. And there it is. If everything has gone according to plan, your viewers will now see the download button when they watch your video, making it easy and convenient for them to save it for offline viewing or personal use. Enabling the download button can really enhance the engagement with your content. It provides an easy way for your audience to keep your videos handy, which can also help them share your work with others. So if you've followed all these steps, congratulations! You've successfully turned on the download feature for your Vimeo video. If this information was helpful for you, please remember to like this video and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks on maximizing your experience with various online platforms. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough. Happy video sharing!